What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Today we are continuing the knock lock. Looks like we're almost done, so step 6 out of 8 in order to get the all the material here. So I just added the servo, which was only 3 and then 4. I think that was it. I mean, I can't remember all the chords, so I have to see it side to side, and it's kind of a small picture. It doesn't let you resize it, not that I know of. Yeah, so it just covers everything up. It looks good, I don't know. Oh, now you gotta attach it physically. I don't think I have the same type of servo. Let me see real quick. I don't have that type of servo, but I do have this type of servo, which I believe it does the same job of turning. And then I have this piece too. This is just an attachment. It's a plastic attachment. And here are the attachments. There's a, it's kind of like a cross, but it's like a weird looking cross. And then there's other ones that are just straight across. But I don't think I have this one where they're all equal lengths. Well, this one's almost. This one has 3, this one has 4. So since we're already there, wait, no, we're missing the capacitor. What are we doing with the capacitor? It's attached from the outside. Why not? A capacitor. A capacitor. Hold on. All? Well, it's right here. Right there. Why not do this? I may be able to, or may not. Let me try it out. Why not do this? Never mind. The capacitor's too big. Alright. We'll do it how it shows there. Left to ground and then right to power. Left to ground. Boom. Boom. Right to power. If it's selected, it'll change the color. You gotta unselect it. Right to power. Right here. Let's see if there's other stuff. Sometimes it just adds other stuff. It looks like there's less wire for some reason. But there isn't. Same amount of wire. It looks like it. Get a good view. Get a good view of all of these here. Oh, from last video, it is A0, the purple. You finally got a good view. A0. It didn't show it. I had to kind of figure it out by words. Alright. The capacitor, attach the capacitor terminals. Yeah, looks like that's it. That's it for this one, 8 out of 8. Next up, write code. We'll write a few code. Probably like the beginner. The constants. So this is going to be our starter code. We have a setup. I like to delete this stuff up here. This right here. And then we'll start from here. 27. That's a lot of code. 1 out of 27. Usually it's like 14. Alright, so yeah, that's a lot of code. Let's go. Let's get to it. Okay. In this lesson, you will write the program that interprets knocks. Interprets knocks. Is that like... Well, when I think knock, I think it moves, and then it locks. Then it moves, then it locks. Moves. This part right here. It's in the turn, then it's in the lock. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. Knock lock. I never heard that phrase before. So knocks with the piezo component. Piezo. It's this one, right? Piezo. Interprets knocks. With the rotating servo motor. If someone knocks the correct number of times the lock opens. Oh, knocks the correct number of times. Does that have a there's no sensor. There's no touch sensor. Does it hear sound too? Like the last servo motor, um, project mood cue, you will use servo H library. Alright, let's get to the code. So servo H library. Alright, let's do it. Actually, let me see if I have it included. Where's the libraries? I think these are it. Servo include. What else? If we need more, we'll just include them here. Include servo. I think it's only on the actual Arduino, on the physical one, that you have to download it. Right here. You have to download it and then you have to include it. This one does it for you. It'd be pretty cool if you can just download it from here. Could you? Download code. Maybe. I've never tried it. I might try it. We'll try it. If I remember. Alright. Create constants. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Let's create the constants. So something that's very similar between all of them, they're all ints. There's two spaces, there's an equal sign, there's a space, and there's a semicolon. That's similar in all of them. So we're gonna go ahead and create, how many is it? 5 of them. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we'll do piezo. We'll do piezo is connected to A0. Switch pin is connected to pin 2, and I think it's just 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. And then yellow LED, green and red. Green LED. And lastly, red LED. And a few more. These are like, well, they're not constants because they're not set to anything, so you gotta set them to something. Knock val. And int switch. Val. Okay. That's it. Oh, there's more. There's a lot of constants on this one. Let's keep going with our constants, ints. So on the first one we have 10. On the second one we have 100. And then we have quiet, knock. And then we have loud, knock. Yeah, let's see what we got. Let's see, we can keep having knocks. Let's see. Or not knocks, but we can have constants. We have a boolean. Boolean, which is true or false. Those are the values. This is like from JavaScript or pretty much anything. A boolean has that stuff. And then we have int. Number of knocks. Number of knocks. Number of knocks, we have 0. But it's not a constant. It's just int. Boom. Alright, cool. Next. Okay, now it gets into the setup, which is right here. We'll leave that as is. Hopefully, when I come back to it, it doesn't jumble up the code, because we've seen before that it jumbles up the code. That's what it does. I can also just press the X right now and close off the browser. Then you go to history and pull up the browser tabs again. Usually jumbles it up. Don't know why. It's usually just a Tinkercad thing, but that's just how it works. Yeah, so we're gonna end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good ass day. Peace out.